Right, we have a transformations of graphs question. So let's remind ourselves the shortcut of what these things mean. Remember that if you have the number on the outside of the brackets, so if you've got f of x plus a, like this, or an a times f of x, then that affects the y coordinates only. The x does not change. And you just do what it tells you to do. So if it tells you to add the number to the y coordinates, then you add it. If it tells you to multiply the y coordinates by a, then you multiply the y coordinates by a. If, however, the change is on the inside, so you've got an x plus a inside the brackets here, or if you've got an f of a multiplied by x on the inside here, then that changes the x coordinates only, and you do the opposite. So in this case here, you'd subtract a from the x coordinates, and in this case here, you would divide the x coordinates by a. So back over here, we can see that the plus 3 is outside of the brackets, so it only affects the y coordinates. So the 3 here, the x coordinate doesn't change, that stays as a 3. We then add 3 to the y coordinate, so minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Next, this 2, we can see that is inside the brackets, so that only affects the x coordinate. Now this is a 2 times x, so we need to do the opposite. So we need to divide by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. The y coordinate doesn't change. And then finally, the minus x here, that is going to change the x coordinates because it's inside the brackets. So this is like dividing the x coordinate here by minus 1. 3 divided by minus 1 is minus 3. The y coordinate doesn't change at all. That stays as a minus 4. There we go.